Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this very simple Easter inspired look. It's yellow, it's bright, spring, you know, oh, whatever. It actually was really simple. Hope y'all like it, and stay tuned until the end to look at my new hairstyle. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's go ahead and get it started. Honestly, have no idea what look exactly I want to do. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this one the yellow look. So can you guess who that is? Can you guess? Squeaking away in the middle of my video. I really am trying to keep it kind of simple. I think she left. Or not. Cinnamon. Can you stop? Can you do that? Okay, so I'm going to go into this NYX Avant Pop palette and grab that yellow, and I just kind of, that's going to be kind of my transition. I know y'all are probably thinking like, lady, you didn't change your hairstyle, you look the same. But I promise I did, and y'all will see it at the end, so stick with me. What I am sorry that you're seeing is all this breakout stuff everywhere. I think I'm getting the keto rash, so that is no fun. It's very itchy, but I'll talk more about that in my keto video that should be up next week. So be on the lookout for that. I didn't set the primer because I see there's a lot of people that haven't been doing that. Alright, now for a little bit more concentrated version, I'm going to go in with this one I got from Shop Miss A. It's a little trio. I'm going to go in with that mustard color. And including that, just in my crease. Now, going into my aftershock, and I'm just picking up the yellow shade Electronica and patting it. With the same brush that I did the mustard yellow, I'm going to go with this light brown shade here, just to work on the edges. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face, and then I'll come back and finish the lower lash line. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on. This is also from Shop Miss A. It's called Pre-Lash. It's supposed to be like a primer. Most mascara primers that I've worked with are white. This one is black. Now I'm just going into that mustard shade. Boys, stop. Just gonna buff out a little bit more with that brown shade. Now for my inner, I'm gonna dig into my Huda with the Nefertiti. Now I'm going to attempt to put on fake lashes. I had these on the other day and they were really cute with my new hairstyle. So that's why I'm trying to put them on again. Sorry, my boys are playing with Cinnamon and they are riling her up for real. Boy, I really wanted to go with light makeup, but it didn't quite turn out that way. It went a little bit extra. I don't know why. I had to redo like my concealer because I was trying to give that BH concealer another try with a different foundation and it just was a no. Stop messing with her. Then if she gets you, you're gonna be crying that she got you. Yeah, it's not that I don't like them playing with Cinnamon. Obviously I do. It's our dog. Like, why wouldn't I want my dog to be played with? But they mess with her and they mess with her and they mess with her to the point where she wants to mess with them all the time, and they start acting scary. Like, they're scared of her. Like, that's what I'm saying. When she gets you, you're not gonna want her chasing you anymore. You're gonna be scared. Yeah, I always have a problem with my inner corner sticking good. If you got any tips for that, please let me know. Alright, I went ahead and put these on. And I'm just gonna add some lower lash mascara. My eyes are kind of watery from struggling with these things, so I'm putting on a little bit of waterproof down here. I feel like I look totally extra for just an Easter dinner, but sometimes you just gotta be extra in life, you know? So here is my finished look for now. I'm about to go do my hair and come back and show y'all the official finished look with my new hairstyle. So I will see you guys in a flash. Alright guys, are y'all ready for the finished look? Hair and everything. Huh? Are you? Yes? No? Maybe so. Yeah. I totally changed my hair. Not like totally, but it's a pretty big change. Anywho, I was kind of looking back at some of the footage and I realized that it was not the greatest footage because you could totally see like the sides. If you didn't see it, it's because I attempted to cut it out. Anyways, sorry about that, guys. I don't know, it was silly of me not to check the footage in the first place before I started. I just had a lot of things going on, you know, like cooking for Easter and doing my Easter makeup and making sure the boys are ready. Yes, I just did that. It was one little strand that was just covering my face. So sorry about that, but I really hope y'all enjoy this video and like the look. I know I have to dig into different palettes, but I mean, this palette was $1 online. This one was cheap also online, and of course, you know, I had to, you know, give y'all a little swatch. And then I had actually bought that NYX one on clearance at Ulta. So I believe they're all very affordable, but even if you can't get your hands on these and do have a palette with some yellow in it, you can attempt to make this look. It was very basic, and it still is. I tried to find a shirt that had a little bit of yellow in it because I really don't wear yellow. And I found this one that is like a teacher shirt, but I might still wear it because, you know, you're supposed to look nice on Easter and stuff. So I might still wear this with some shorts or something. It's a really pretty day outside, and it's 1 o'clock right now. Hopefully I can get this video up for y'all today. I'm about to try to start editing, but other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And please don't forget to let me know what else you'd like to see from me and what you think about my look, my hair, because whether you like it or not, it's staying until it grows out. I like it though. Reminds me of my younger self. Yeah. Bye, y'all.